What is science and why trust it? We want to say that there's something unique about science that makes it special and trustworthy. Now, let me make a side note on that. Throughout the 20th century, philosophers of science as well as sociologists of science really argued and debated as to what was the demarcating line. The main consensus is now that there is no one key distinguishing feature. Think about some of the things you don't usually call science, like astrology, literature, and football. These things all in some way have to or try to make predictions about your life, about what an author meant, about what a player will do, and their conjectures or their hypotheses or their predictions have to meet up with data of some kind of in the game, in the book, in life. So the authors, instead of trying to say one key feature, opt for a sort of list, and missing an item on the list doesn't automatically disqualify you as a science. So for example, Darwin's theory of evolution originally did not have much of a mathematical elaboration to it, but that was still considered a science. The other question is, why trust science? And here one of the answers the authors give is that scientific theories that are trustworthy have accumulated agreement from a wide array of sources, from different domains, a lot of people from different areas, and theories from different domains have themselves come to somewhat of an agreement. And the example they give is in the theory that humans are causing global warming. There are people who will disagree or question that, but their point is you can trust the science because you get data from physics, from chemistry, from studies of the ocean, from studies of the atmosphere, and those all tend to converge on the same viewpoint. And also people from diverse backgrounds and nationalities and politics, people who would have otherwise motivations to disagree, have come to somewhat of a consensus.